This is the new heavy-duty tabletop tripod by Zuma. It's made of metal for strength. It has rubber feet, so it won't slide. It has a locking collar with different positions in the legs. It's very small and compact, and the legs can go completely flat. This tripod would be ideal to use with the Zuma smartphone holder or the BH300 ball head. It goes totally flat for the hard-to-get macro shot. The thread is 1/4 and it comes with a 3/8 inch bushing. It also comes with these straps, so you can put the straps through these slots in the legs and tie the tripod to anything, such as a tree or a pole. This is the Zuma Z-199 tripod.